Welcome to another Material Handling Minute with Chuck. Have you ever thought about having a wash system complete in its entirety that you could transport from location to location? Maybe you're a battery technician, maybe you're a forklift technician, or an in-house battery maintenance employee that's going from building to building. BHS has got the solution for you. I'm excited about these units because of the portability and the simplicity of the design, but yet ruggedness that we always bring to the table for you. Double horizontal swing back door with dual latch here. We've got a viewing window, 12 by 12 viewing window here. And then in the top of the cabinet, there is also a window to allow light so that when you look in here on the top of the battery, you can actually see the top of the battery. These units are not in any way intended to be a high pressure wash. They're designed to be a high volume, flooding the tops and the sides of the battery to remove the debris. Notice here the fork pockets, which will accommodate pallet trucks as well as sit-down counterbalance type forks entry. These rollers are heavy duty as it gets. They're a solid poly with a round stainless shaft for long life. And then we were incorporating some friction strips here to make sure that the battery transport is not lost, you don't lose control. So I hope you can hear me. The echo chamber here is pretty good, but I'm inside the manual battery wash cabinet. And I just want you to get a look at the degree of engineering and design that goes into providing where the batteries will rest here. And then here we've got this nicely screened waste containment catch system to prevent any large debris pieces from getting into the plumbing of the BWC. On, off, auto of course, the start button, and then the emergency stop is required by UL for any control panels in the United States. This unit, as you can see, is constructed of 304 stainless steel for longevity purposes and to deter the corrosion of standard metals from the battery acid. We've got some lift secure tabs here when transporting it in the back of a truck. If by chance it would be floor mounting requirements, the large stainless foot pads had the anchor holes included here. These tanks, one on each side, clean water, wastewater there, are 110 gallon capacity. All of these units will be equipped with a dual output on the clean water delivery to the cabinet. You'll have the convenience of the low pressure one for maybe requiring on those more heavily corroded batteries, you'll want to remove that before entry into the automatic cycle here, eliminate the building up of any heavy debris in the bottom of the cabinet and so forth. Standard off-the-shelf non-proprietary components available on a local level because we want you to experience maximum uptime, ease of maintenance on any of our equipment. And then let me turn your attention here. This is the water in-feed system. The hosing coming from the clean water tank goes up through the split T into the manifolds. Electric motor turning, providing the oscillation movement of those nozzle tips on the inside of the cabinet. So here on the other side of the unit, we will typically stage our wastewater containment and wastewater pump system will run in between. But this pump system, wastewater pump system, our bilge pump, is incorporated here inside the holding tank. We've got our hoses connecting the two, then it's got a nice stainless steel lid to cover those components and keep debris out of here. Fresh water over there on that side, it's being pumped into through the manifold, and then the bilge pump will remove the wastewater from the bottom of the wash cabinet and then safely store it here in the 110 gallon wastewater containment carboy IBC tote. And with every product at BHS, please remember that we've got inside sales support and aftermarket support, which is available 24/7, 365. Thanks for watching this Material Handling Minute with Chuck. Stay tuned, we've got more coming your way.